Hi there, welcome back to our channel. This is Surbhi Jogi from Disha Education Consultancy. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कि what is the difference between MBA and PGTM programs. MBA we all know it is Master of Business Administration and PGTM that is Postgraduate Diploma Courses for Management. तो इन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंसेस क्या है? तो जो स्टूडेंट्स जिनका ग्रेजुएशन चल रहा है या जिसका ग्रेजुएशन हो गया है और उनको आगे मास्टर्स करना है, सो उनके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Stay with me till the end of the video so that your confusions can be clear in a better way. So first point, if we see MBA, you must have heard it is a degree. So degrees कौन देते हैं? तो degrees वो देते हैं, वो colleges देते हैं जो university से affiliated होते हैं. That means the university designs the structure of the MBA program and the colleges follow those structures. So they are affiliated to the universities and thus these are degree programs. That is, you get a degree of MBA. When you check your certificate after you get the course done completion, it would be returned from Mumbai University or Delhi University or whatever university the college is affiliated to. In the same way, when we talk about PGTM, PGTM is a post-graduation diploma in management which is given by autonomous colleges. That means उनका खुद का एक identity होता है. They are not affiliated by any universities. They have their own identity in their own. So they are going to give you an idea and brief about the management programs. In their certificates, you would be having their own name. So what is about MBA? MBA is a degree and PGTM is a diploma program. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. So मैंने जैसे बोला था कि MBA is affiliated by a university. The colleges are affiliated with the universities. That's the reason they give those degree programs to you. It is a degree certificate. Whereas PGTM is an autonomous college, मतलब कि जो AICT approved होता है. So you please keep in mind and take admissions only in these colleges जिसमें AICT approval हो. With AICT I mean is All India Council of Technical Education. ये approval उनके पास होना जरूरी है. Do take care because काफी सारे colleges इसमें fraud भी करते हैं. यहाँ पे भी problem होती है. So before taking an admission, do keep in mind that it is AICT approved. So this is the basic difference between MBA, that is a degree, and PGTM, which is a diploma program. Now next let's talk about the duration of the course. MBA we've heard about, it is a duration of 2 years, and the same way PGTM is about 1 year or 2 years. But it is my personal suggestion that do not go for PGTM because जो 1 year के courses होते हैं PGTM के, that are not preferable because वो एक certificate course type हो जाता है. अगर आपको MBA की equivalent कोई degree चाहिए, then you have to do PGTM for 2 years only. Now let's talk about the structure. That is syllabus में exactly होता क्या है. चलो MBA की बात करते हैं. तो MBA में they are going to give you a brief knowledge about the business and technical knowledge of theory as well as practical. The students are going to understand both the scenarios. But when we talk about PGTM, these are the courses which are designed by the colleges itself. So they are more about practical knowledge आपको ज़्यादा मिलती है. इंडस्ट्री में डे टू डे जो ज़रूरत होती है उसके हिसाब से वो अपना स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है सिलेबस का वो डिज़ाइन करता है. तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा इंटर्नशिप, थीसिस एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स और असाइनमेंट्स दिए जाते हैं. सो यू गेट अ मोर प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज अबाउट द करंट सिनेरियो. And what is the acceptance of both the degrees? Accept कौन करता है? So MBA is a degree which has a worldwide acceptance. And when I talk about worldwide acceptance, I'm talking about the PhD programs like masters हो गया. आपको आगे जाके PhD करना है. So if you want to get out of India, you want to take PhD. So you can go for MBA because it is going to be accepted outside India for PhD. In the same way, PGTM gives you a lot of knowledge about the real life scenario for the industry, but you get a problem is that it's not possible to have a PhD degree after that. So outside India आपको job मिल सकती है. Job को आपको दोनों में मिलेगी. Nationally ज़्यादा मिलेगी because India में इसको बहुत ज़्यादा prefer किया जाता है. If you've done a specialization in a particular subject in PhD, then the company will obviously give you very good jobs. But when it comes to higher studies, that's not preferable. So you have to be very clear कि आपको आगे पढ़ाई करनी है कि job करना है. पढ़ाई करनी है, हायर स्टडीज के लिए जाना है, डू MBA. अगर आपको जॉब ही करना है, then you should go for PGTM. Next, I would like to talk about what are the changes in the syllabus. So syllabus कैसे change होते हैं? MBA जैसे मैंने आपको बोला यूनिवर्सिटी से एफिलिएटेड है, यूनिवर्सिटीज को डिजाइन करती है। अब आप ही सोच सकते हो कि एक यूनिवर्सिटी ने कितनी सारी कॉलेजेस के साथ एफिलिएशन किया होगा, तो उनका जो चेंज होता है स्ट्रक्चर में, इट टेक्स टाइम, वो बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंज नहीं करते हैं। बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द PGDM कोर्सेज, द चेंजेस आर रियली वेरी फास्ट। जब भी उनको लगता है कि नहीं अब कुछ नया आ गया है, देयर इज समथिंग वेरी इनोवेटिव इन द इंडस्ट्री और दिस इज आउटडेटेड, यू विल डेफिनेटली come across immediate new syllabus and changes in your studies. So this is one of a very good advantage if you want to do a specialization. Now let's talk about the fee structure. The fee structure of MBA is slightly lower. अगर आपका बजट ज़्यादा नहीं है then you should do MBA. It starts around 20,000 to it can go around 18 lakhs maximum depending on the college which you are selecting. But when you go to PGDM, since मैंने आपको कहा कि वो private autonomous colleges होती है तो उनके जो फीस होते हैं वो स्लाइटली ज्यादा होता है। तो द फी स्ट्रक्चर कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5 to 6 lakhs and it can go to 20 or 25 lakhs depending upon the college. Now, how do you get admissions in these both colleges? There are entrance exams like you must have heard about CAT and XAT and all. So you have to give those exams. Both of them do have that structure. MBA you can get it easily. For PGDM again, वहाँ पे you have to go for a personal interview round. You have to give these aptitude tests. Then you have to go through a group discussion. Once you are cleared with all this, you are eligible to take admission in that particular college, wherever you are trying to apply for. Now let's talk about the teaching. Now what about the teaching? The teaching staff in MBA is at an average basis. Why I'm saying average is not because of the qualification of the professor. What I mean to say is कि उनको एक system होता है, एक pattern होता है जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने बोला होता है तो उनको वो follow करना पड़ता है। But जब PGDM की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे जो professors होते हैं वो बहुत सारे guest lecturers होते हैं या फिर HRs होते हैं जो इंडस्ट्री से उनको वो लोग बुलाते हैं। तो उन लोग अपने हिसाब से उनको लगता है कि उनको चेंज करना चाहिए सिलेबस या कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा डालना चाहिए, क्या लगता है कि ये ठीक नहीं है, तो दे डू immediate changes. That's the reason the faculties in these PGDM courses are slightly more better and experienced, you can say, because they do make changes as per their convenience and good for the students as per the industry. Now next, I would like to tell you about what about the placements. Okay, so as of देखा जाए तो MBA के लिए अगर आप बहुत अच्छी renowned colleges में admission लेते हो तो placements आपको अच्छे जरूर मिलेंगे, जबकि जो PGDM course होता है इनका focus ही होता है they are placement driven colleges. That means that they are definitely going to give you better placements because it is there, you can say it's like a motto for them कि we are going to give you these PGDM courses because we want to place you in good industries. As I also told you कि जो industry से professors होते हैं या guest lecturers होते हैं, they also come and visit, you're also going for internship, so you can understand you are right as a student you're going to have a lot of your hands spread out in the industry, so chances of getting good jobs are more higher. I am not taking any side. At the last I would like to say how I want to conclude the video is कि आपको कॉलेज कैसे सिलेक्ट करनी है। तो आपको कॉलेज सिलेक्ट करने से पहले देखना पड़ेगा कि उसकी रैंकिंग क्या है, how the ranking in amongst all the other colleges. Do not go कि मुझे MBA करना है, PGDM करना है, पहले देखो कि वो कॉलेज की रैंकिंग क्या है, उसका प्लेसमेंट स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, पहले कि उसके प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे थे, उसके प्लेसमेंट ज्यादा अच्छे हैं, उसके हिसाब से आप अपनी कॉलेज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। बट अगर आपका फोकस है हायर स्टडीज, go for MBA. अगर आपका focus है to get specialization in your particular area of interest, go for PGDM. So that is all for this video. If you liked the content of my video, please do like and subscribe our channel. For any more information, do visit our website and you can write to us on our helpline number anytime. Thank you.